Peeps, Connor Doobie here. Hope you're having an awesome day. Wanted to jump in here real quick to share some real-time insights, some real-time updates from some stuff that's been going on this past week, and actually more specifically how I've grown our LinkedIn company page followership by over 100 new people just within the last 6 days. So 100, that's pretty tangible when it comes to LinkedIn. There hasn't been a lot of really good ways over the years to grow your LinkedIn company page followership. Besides running paid ads and running, campaigns, pumping a bunch of money into it. Now, what I've been doing over the last week and the last couple weeks pretty consistently and have seen really great impact from is 3 key things. So first off, LinkedIn recently rolled out a new update on your company page. Some of you may have it, some of you may kind of still be waiting around for it. What this allows you to do is actually go to your company page. Let me adjust this camera up here. What this allows you to do, go to your company page, go to your admin tools, and there's a little bar called Invite Connections. So if you are watching this or somebody on your team is the admin to your company page, you can now invite your direct connections to follow your company page. It actually shows up as a invitation, almost like a connection request from your company page from the person who did the inviting. So whether it's me or somebody on our team, whoever's got admin access, you can add your direct connections in. That's been phenomenal for growing our followership. Now, just be aware, it limits you to 50 invites a day, 50 connection invites every single day. No matter how many admins you put in on it, you're limited to 50 people. So if maybe you do 25, somebody else on your team does 25 of theirs, that's been working really, really well. The other thing that I do pretty consistently is in posts that I put out, because my personal posts get much more reach than company page posts do organically. I'm always tagging our company page either in basically the teaser text or in the comments section. What I do with that is, first off, it allows my company page to share that piece of content it's tagged onto, so I can actually reshare the post on my company page. But the other thing is, when people see my posts come across their feed, maybe their curiosity is piqued, they see our company page tagged there, they click through and they go follow our company page. That's been growing our followership as well. And then third, in our email campaigns, I'll actually send content from time to time that's coming from our company page and distributing it out to our email list. And that'll bring people back to our company page. If they're not already following our page, then chances are they may go give it a follow there. So those are a couple key, just really, immediate ways you can go start organically growing your page. I foresee LinkedIn's gonna be continuing to roll out some new updates where company pages have kind of been there, been somewhat okay validators over the years, but now as they're rolling out some of these new updates, I'm really excited to see what they're gonna do. So I'm putting, me personally, we're making a huge push into growing our company page followership. Tag somebody below who needs to see this. Make sure you drop any comments, questions. Make sure you share this video. Please share this, and I'll see you folks on the other side.